Okay, so in previous class, so we discussed some formatting tags. Just right click, open with Notepad. So we tried bold, strong, italic, emphasis. Okay, and even we tried what? Subscript, superscript, insert, delete. Okay, so in addition to this, we are having two more tags. So one is mark tag. So what is the purpose of this mark is, suppose, so if you want to highlight any text. So for example, now I'm going to write here strong, and inside strong I am having SIVASOFT. So Control S to save. So right click, open with any browser. I am preferring Google Chrome. So in this SIVASOFT, I want to highlight this soft. So in this SIVASOFT, I want to highlight this soft. So at that time, we can give what? Mark tag. So what is the purpose of mark tag is to highlight the text. So refresh the page. So let's assume that you are having some huge paragraph, okay, some more text, okay. At that time, if you want to highlight any specific letter or specific word, we can use this mark. So mark main aim is what? To highlight the text, okay. So next, so we are going to check with small. Small also one of the, so I'm going to use a small, so name itself it represents, so small means some smaller text, some smaller size. So for example, so I want to make this small. Control S to save and just refresh the page. Okay. So if you check here, compare with this one. So compare with this one, this text is smaller. Is it clear, right? Okay. So how we can say means, okay, how much size exactly they applied, how we can recognize means. So consider, see, we are in the initial stages, and also this is not the right time to discuss about sizes like 12 pixel or 16 pixel, some units. Okay, this is not the right time to discuss. So that's the reason how I can explain this one means, by default for all the, okay, bold, italic, underline, whatever we are displaying here. So for all these, by default, we are going to have 100%. So by default, we are going to have 100%. So for example, in this case, Shiva is having 100% font size, just blindly. So not blindly, just assume that. So here SIVASOFT is Shiva is having 100% font size. So this is default font size. Okay. Whenever we are going to use small, then it will consider 80%. So believe that if it is 100 means in that 80% will be occupied for this small tag. So 80%. Okay. Next we'll be discussing with what? Nested tags. So name itself is there. Tag inside tag. So for example, already we tried. For example, here, already I am having a strong tag. Inside one more tag, subscript. Okay. This is called nested tag. Okay. Tag inside tag. So even here also we tried. Already we are having EM tag, but inside again SUP. In this case, already we are having strong tag inside mark tag. Here also already we are having strong tag inside small tag. Okay. And here just I want to try strong and I want emphasis, nothing but italic. So for both SIVASOFT, I am having bold, nothing but strong, as well as emphasis, nothing but italic. Only for soft, I want underline. So we don't have any limit. We don't have any limit. Okay. And here only for S, I want, otherwise only for F here, I want mark. Okay, only for F. So tag inside tag, so we are calling as what? Nested tags. Okay, so finally we completed. So formatting tags. So everything is fine.